What are voice-controlled ovens?
Voice-controlled ovens are modern kitchen appliances that connect to digital voice assistants like Alexa, Google Assistant, or Siri. By linking your oven to these platforms, you can issue spoken commands instead of using traditional knobs or touchpads. This hands-free approach is designed to make cooking more convenient and accessible, streamlining everyday kitchen tasks.
How voice integration works.
Voice-controlled ovens connect to your home's Wi-Fi and interact with your voice assistant through a companion app. When you give a command, the assistant processes your request and sends instructions to the oven. Compatible models can understand tasks like setting the temperature, starting preheating, or selecting cooking modes, all with simple spoken phrases.
Simplifying baking and preheating.
With voice commands, you can start preheating the oven, set the desired temperature, and change modes without touching any buttons. For example, just say preheat the oven to 375 degrees and the appliance will begin heating. This makes multitasking easier and helps ensure accurate temperature control during baking and roasting.
Hands-free timer and reminders.
Voice-controlled ovens make it easy to set timers and reminders while you cook. You can simply say, set a timer for 25 minutes, and the oven will alert you when it's time to check your dish. This feature helps prevent overcooking, reduces kitchen stress, and lets you focus on other meal preparations or activities.
Smart features and future benefits.
Many voice-controlled ovens offer extra features, such as recipe guidance, status updates, or checking if the oven is left on, all through voice commands. These functions improve safety, convenience, and accessibility in the kitchen. As smart home technology evolves, expect even more seamless integration and helpful capabilities for home cooks.